Welcome to iINTELLIGENCEi.
Dear friends, today's topic is how to insert table in Microsoft Word. Just go to Microsoft Word, any document. Now open the Microsoft document. The topic is how to include a table in Microsoft Word. So let us include a Microsoft table in Microsoft Word. See, in order to include a table in Microsoft Word, you need to go to how to include or insert. Go to insert, go to table. See, actually you need to click where the table you need to include. So I want to include it here. Right. So go to insert, go to table, then select how many rows and columns you want. Now these are the rows and these are the columns. So you need to select the number of rows and number of columns. 5 into 3 table. That is 5 rows into 3 columns, or 5 into 5. Just click or enter or left click. Yes, the table has been inserted. Now you can start working on it. Okay. This is a process how to include a table in Microsoft Word. Okay. Suppose I want to include another table, then just go to the place where you want to insert the table. That means the cursor should be there, the particular spot. Then go to insert, then go to table, then select the number of rows and columns. This is 2 into 1, 2 by 2, or 3 by 3, or 4 by 4, or 5 by 5, or you can select this. Only you want 5 by 2 means, or 7 by 2 means 7 by 2. Just click it. Okay. So this is a process how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Thank you, friends.
Thank you so much for watching.